Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. Today, we're going to take a look at a 2024 Keystone Springdale, model number 286 BHU. It's an awesome couples model trailer with a couple bunks tacked on the back of it. Great kitchen counter, great washroom, big bunks, whole lot going for it here, weighing 7,000 pounds. This is going to have you starting your own cooking show, and I'm here with my friend, that Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer, on the camera today. Brendan?
What's going on, happy campers, future campers, and fellow salespeople? Thank you so much for tuning into the #1 RV YouTube channel in the world. I'm fired up that Springdale is doing this floor plan now because we have some other people that do it, and customers love this floor plan. Smash that like and subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest. We're everywhere. Enjoy this Springdale.
Yeah, people say things like they keep recycling the same old floor plans. This is a new floor plan, Brendan. Released in the last 3, 4, 5 years. It's very, very nice. You'll see when we get there. We'll get to it. Front power jack, 20 pump propane tanks, and then your battery in a box locations right in behind there. Wood frame, aluminum skin on these Springdales. We do have power jacks all the way around, and then our pass-through storage is right through there to the other side. We do have solar on the roof of this guy coming down through our solar charge controller, charging your battery for you. An on-demand gas water heater, freshwater fill, black water flush kit, city water connection right in through there. We've also got a standard outside shower, sewer drain down below, 15-inch tires, 6-bolt rims, 6-bolt hubs, black rims, but chrome don't get you home. What style of slide is this, Brendan?
I'm assuming rack opinion, baby.
Assumption is correct, Brendan. And then we have our 50-amp detachable style cord. Here at the back, we've got our spare tire mounted. We've got a bumper to store your stinky slinky, a spot here to add cable into the trailer. We're prepped up there for a backup camera, and we're prepped up there for a ladder. Now, this is like a rear door here, Brendan.
Rear hatch.
Oh no. Is it locked? You got any jokes, Brendan? Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Who?
Who?
You sound like an owl. All right, let's get this opened up. So basically, you've got storage in here at the backside. This does lift up out of the way, and then you have these little D-rings in through here you can tie things down with. Here around the door side, that does lift up, right, Brendan?
I don't know. Seemed like it. Maybe not.
Yeah, it is hinged.
Oh, half of it might?
There it is.
Oh, it all.
Yeah, all flips up and through there.
Cool.
Oh, I see what's supposed to happen. You're supposed to remove the bunk, and it'll actually fold up like an accordion against that wall and through there. Fantastic. Cool stuff. Now, on the door side here, we have an electric awning starting here at the back, covering both doors. Secure steps right to the ground for our main steps. We have an outside receptacle, outside speaker, furnace vent, and then right here, we've got an outside fridge, which is always a bonus. There's a range hood vent up and through there, a couple kitchen windows, because the kitchen's so long in through here. And then this door here, Brendan, this is key, because this is going to get to your bedroom and your bathroom with the slide out closed. As we go in the main door, you're going to see we're going to have access to the fridge, all with the slide out closed. Let's get this guy opened up. Right on, folks, we're inside that Springdale 28.6 BHU. I hope I was clear on that hatch thing, Brendan. Did that make sense?
It did to me.
You're going to remove this mattress here, and then that bottom board is going to fold up and across there, so you have all that storage in there at the back to put larger storage items like big bikes, those kind of things. Here at the back, we do have a couple steps up into here to make getting into these bunks a little bit easier. There's a nice adjustable shelf / wardrobe piece in through there. We've got the big bunks. They're each good for 300 pounds. There's receptacles in both bunks, window in the top bunk, and then a really nice window here to the left of the theater seat, which is super comfy. We're sitting down here, enjoying ourselves. Looks like we got a little bit of a flip-up piece there for some goodies. Some more goodies spot in through there. Couple cup holders. Tell your friends. Over here on the right, you've got a U-shaped dinette that's going to go down to a bed. We've got some storage underneath that dinette. And then that bed, because it's a U shape, is going to be a nice big bed for secondary sleeping. And then right here, we have a 10 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge running off our battery that's being charged off our solar panel on the roof. I feel like the solar panel is an option, Brendan, so always check your build sheet when you're talking about that stuff. Here's our washroom and our bedroom through this door. We have an undermount stainless steel sink, boom style faucet in through here. And then into our lower cupboards, we've got a big one there for garbage can recycling. 4 drawers down in through here. A glass stovetop cover with a 3-burner stovetop, oven down below it. And then the lower cupboards just keep going as we got all this stuff in through there for whatever you want to use that for.
That'll be your pantry.
That'll be your pantry. Brennan has spoken.
Yeah, exactly. Put the label on it now.
That's it. Slap it on there. We got ourselves a spot here to put a TV with your hookups, microwave right through there, range hood down below, and then plates and cup storage. Got the factory shelves, which we're always clamoring for here at Layzee Acres. Cups can go over in through there. Nice backsplash. Couple receptacles in the kitchen. Heading down into the bathroom here now, we have a plastic style toilet. Dump truck fits. Up into the shower here. I'm 6 feet tall. Really nice shower, Brendan. There's great width and depth in through here. I'm 6 feet tall. You can see I fit in through here nice and easily. There's a linen closet here to your left. More of the same in through there. Another spot there for maybe a bathroom garbage can. Sink, medicine cabinet right in through there. Now looking forward, we got a 60 by 74 inch queen. Receptacles on both sides of the bed. Hanging storage and shelving, Brendan. That's a great use of space. So there's a removable shelf here if you want to hang stuff up, but otherwise you just fold your clothes up and through there. Overhead shelf as well. Window on the left-hand side. And then there's a nice little laundry chute in through here or bedroom garbage can location. And right as you wrap around this side here, Brendan, you got that storage that's accessible from the bathroom also into the bedroom here. Good?
One more.
One more? You want me to get that for you? There you go.
There we go.
Don't say I never did nothing for you.
Yeah.
Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Leave us a comment down below. Have yourself a good day.